Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wambui. If you just bumped into my channel in your YouTube feed, I do content related to makeup, beauty, travel and lifestyle. And on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on my eyebrow technique. I've done a detailed one before. I'm going to leave a link up here, so if you haven't watched it yet, kindly click on this link up here and go and watch it. So the technique I'm going to be sharing with you today is something I have adopted in the past couple of weeks, like 3 to 4 weeks, if I may say so. I've gotten a new product that I have been loving so much, using it, and I am going to be showing you how I have been using it to get the perfect eyebrows for my clients and also for myself as well. So the product I'm talking about is this tinted brow gel from LA Colors, and mine is in the shade dark brown. I got it from Beauty Bar Kenya, which is in town. If you're in Nairobi, it's in the CBD along in Jamia Mall. Yeah, I don't know the street name of that street where Jamia Mall is, but it's in Jamia Mall. So if you'd like to purchase it, you can go ahead and order it from Beauty Bar, or go to their store and buy it from there. It's very affordable. It's 400 shillings, and I've really been loving it, using it on myself and also my clients as well. So let's get straight into the video and see how I have been using it on my brows to get my brows looking all snatched, perfect, and well put together, if I may say so. I hope you're gonna learn something. I hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video. Also, don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment on the comment section to let me know whether this video was informative and whether you enjoyed watching it as well. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. I'm gonna do a voiceover in the video, so, and don't forget to subscribe, please guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please, because I am trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 370 I think. So please help me get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, bye. First, I went in with my setting powder, and in this case I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my brow hair, and then using a spoolie, I'm just combing through the hairs of my brows to make sure that they are all in a straight line and they are all looking well pronounced. And then I took my Davis pencil, that's in the shade number 18, to add the product into my brow hair, as you can see. And I'm using a light hand. Make sure you don't make them too dark. And then using your spoolie again, just blend out all the product in the brow hair. Next, I went in with my Canvas Cosmetics Multitasker concealers, that's in the shade number 4 and number 6. And guys, if you still haven't gotten these concealers, please get them. I have a discount code. I'm gonna list it, I'm gonna put it down there, Wambui10. You can also check it at the description box. I'm gonna leave it there so that you can use the code to purchase the product, because these concealers are just the bomb. So I'm just going in with a flat concealer brush to define my brow and just following the shape of the brow. Don't be in a hurry to do this because you are gonna mess up your brow, so just be very careful while doing this. I use the darker concealer, the upper part of the brow, and then I use the darker and the lighter concealer at the lower part of my brow. The darker one to the beginning of the brow, and then added the lighter one towards the end. Now I'm just using my I'm using my fluffy brush to blend out all the concealer into my skin and to just make sure everything is well blended out. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite products at the moment, that's the Tinted Brow Gel from LA Colors, to just fill in the products inside my brow hair more. And this helps the brow hair not to move throughout the day and to ensure that my brows are gonna look snatched throughout the day. And then I went in with my spoolie brush again to just blend out all the product together, and after that my brows were looking snatched and it's perfect. and that's how they look with a full face beat on. If you haven't watched the tutorial on this look, it's in my previous video. I'm gonna list it, put that link up there so that you guys can go and watch it. I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next one, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Bye.